Disney owns everything. Disney owns ABC Television, A&E Networks, ESPN, Marvel Entertainment, and Lucasfilm, just to name a few. What does this mean for Disney? CNBC reported that Disney studio revenue grew 50% year over year. Revenue of $14.31 billion versus $13.73 billion, which was the optimistic forecast. What's next? The Disney and Fox merger will be complete at the beginning of next year. Hollywood Reporter is reporting with this merger, Disney will command 40% of the domestic box office. What does that mean for us? This consolidation of ownership will prevent competing companies from creating content. This will lead to less competition and even less new creative ideas. With one company owning so much, that company's views and opinions will be more predominant, limiting opposing